show you how to make celery juice in the Greenstar Pro Juicer by TriBest. In my opinion, this is the best juicer on the market for making celery juice. You're going to get the highest yield, which means you're going to get the most juice out of your celery, and it's also the most nutritious. Okay, so the Greenstar Elite Juicer is a 3-stage masticating juicer, grinding, mixing, and pressing. That's why it's so good with celery. So these are the twin gears that the Greenstar uses. These are so heavy, and that's what's going to do all the pressing and getting every last drop of juice out of that celery. It's also got pocket recesses on the gears here. They're almost like little knives, and they're going to cut all those celery strings up. Okay, most juicers will get clogged up really easily with all the celery strings, but this is the reason why the Greenstar is going to do such a good job. And these gears also have bioceramic and magnetic technology in them. Okay, so it's going to keep your juice alive longer. I can make this and drink it, up to 5 days later. It's still going to be nice and fresh, and you're going to get the most nutrition out of it. So let's get juicing. Okay, I'm using my fine juicing screen. I turn it on, and I start with some celery. Use the leaves as well. They're very good for you. And I just feed it in. Okay, you can just use your hands to push that in. The Greenstar is just going to take it, and then you can use your tamper. Now this outlet adjusting knob, this is like a spring, okay, spring retention. It's basically going to hold all that fiber in there as long as possible, so you get out as much juice out of the celery as you can. Okay. So with the Greenstar Elite Juicer, you do require a little bit of downward pressure. Right? So we don't recommend this juicer to anyone with arthritis or very elderly. But you can see that there. I'm just pushing it in. There we go. And you see that beautiful fresh juice come out. So I'll make sure that's nice and tight. And just keep juicing away. So all those celery strings, not a problem for the Greenstar. So you can see how much juice I've already got out of that. So good for you, so fresh, so good for gut health. A celery juice every single morning. A lot of health professionals have recently come out saying that it's actually better than having a probiotic. 500 mils of celery juice every single day. It's an anti-inflammatory, so yeah, it's so good for your gut, and you're going to feel so much better for having this every single day. You can see that there, we're almost done. I've almost got a litre of beautiful fresh celery juice. Just feed in this last piece. You should have a litre there. The tamper, push it down. Alright, look at that. And with ordinary juices, you'd usually feed the pulp back through because this would still have so much juice in it, but this is so fine. You can see it there, I'm squeezing it really hard. Not one drop of juice is going to come out of it. So that's what sets the Greenstar juices apart from the competition. Alright, let's try some of that beautiful juice. Pour some of that out there. So good for you, just liquid life, liquid goodness. Happy juicing. Beautiful. I like to put that on a bit of ice. If the straight celery juice is too much of an intense flavour for you, you can thin it out a bit with some water or some cucumber to make it taste a little bit better. But I love it just like that. Happy juicing.